Protect your home or business with the best CCTV systems. From high-definition cameras to smart monitoring features, these top picks ensure safety, peace of mind, and reliable surveillance around the clock. Starting at number 1. ANNKE 5MP Lite Security Camera System. The ANNKE 5MP Lite Security Camera System provides AI human/vehicle detection, tried and true safeguard, H.265 plus 4 longer and smoother recording, 24/7 peace of mind, IP66 and high-quality ABS housing, and a trustworthy security solution that handles all. This one-stop security solution includes 8 PCS 1080p wired cameras and 8 CH5MP Lite DVR that works with TVI, AHD, CVI, CVBS and IP cameras. The DVR can hook up with 1080p at 30 fps cams or 5MP at 20 fps ones. Whenever real threats are detected, immediate pushes pop up on your phone, and you can check it out via 3G/4G/5G/Wi-Fi. What we like: easy installation process, good picture quality, long recording time, affordable price, flexible recording modes. Number 2. ANNKE 8CH H.265 plus 3K Lite Wired Security Camera System. The ANNKE 8CH H.265 plus 5MP Lite Surveillance Security Camera System offers AI Motion Detection 2.0, tried and true safeguard, H.265 plus 4 smoother and longer recording, 24/7 peace of mind, IP66 and high-quality ABS housing, and a trustworthy security solution that handles all. The system includes 4x1920 TVL2MP wired CCTV IP66 cameras for indoor-outdoor use, remote access, and a 1 TB hard drive included. The system also offers immediate push notifications for real threats detected, and secure data transferring and downloading. What we like: easy installation process, excellent night vision quality, responsive customer support, high-quality video recording. No subscription required for app. Number 3. ANNKE Wired Security Camera System. ANNKE 5MP Lite Wired Security Camera System is a reliable security solution that includes 8 PCS 1080p wired cameras and 8 CH5MP Lite DVR that works with TVI, AHD, CVI, CVBS and IP cameras. The advanced sensor and smart IR capture clear images up to 100 feet away, while AI Motion Detection 2.0 with human and vehicle detection, line crossing, or region entrance detections are more accurate than before. The system is upgraded to H.265 plus 4 smoother and longer recording and comes with 1 TB hard drive that saves you extra expense. The weatherproof, high-quality ABS exterior housing ensures a longer lifespan for the cameras. What we like: clear day and night images, easy app setup and use, affordable price for 8 cameras, good customer support. Number 4. ZOSI 1080p Security Camera System. The ZOSI 1080p Security Camera System is an expandable 8-channel wired surveillance kit that comes with a built-in 1 TB security-grade hard drive. The advanced H.265 technology allows for high-quality video even with low bitrate, maximizing storage space and enabling ultra-long recording. The IP67 weatherproof cameras provide excellent night vision up to 80 feet and can be installed in almost any outdoor or indoor place. Additionally, the system offers privacy protection and mobile viewing, allowing remote access on smart devices at any time, anywhere with Wi-Fi/2G/3G/4G. What we like: high video quality playback, responsive customer support, good night vision performance, affordable price point, no monthly subscription fees. Number 5. REOLINK 4K Security Camera System. The REOLINK 4K Ultra HD PO camera system provides high-quality video footage with 4 times the clarity of 1080p. The smart PO IP cameras can identify people and vehicles, reducing unwanted alerts. The free REOLINK app allows users to remotely access and play back video footage across various devices. With a simple PO connection, users can easily install and set up their home security system. The pre-installed 4TB HDD provides 24/7 continuous recording and motion-triggered only recording. What we like: high-resolution 8MP cameras, easy app and remote access, simple setup and installation, reliable power over Ethernet. Great value for price.